In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email templates in Microsoft Outlook. If you send the same type of message regularly, email templates can save you a lot of time. Instead of rewriting the same response over and over, Outlook lets you insert a pre-written message into a new email in just a few clicks. This is especially useful for follow-ups, introductions, status updates, or any message you send repeatedly. To get started, open Outlook and go to your mail area. This is where you'll manage your inbox and create new messages. Once you're there, look for the new button and click it to begin composing a message. If a menu appears, choose Mail so that Outlook opens a brand new email draft. With your new message window open, the next step is to find the template tools. In the message toolbar, click on Apps. This section gives you access to extra Outlook features, including the built-in template option. When the Apps panel opens, select My Templates. This is where Outlook stores reusable message templates. If you already have templates saved, you'll see them listed here. Take a moment to look through the available options and choose the one that matches the message you want to send. Once you select a template, Outlook will insert that text directly into your email draft. From there, you can review the message and make any small edits you need before sending it. For example, you may want to personalize the greeting, update a date, or adjust a sentence so the message feels more specific to the recipient. Templates are meant to speed things up, but it's still a good idea to give the email a quick check so it sounds natural and accurate. One helpful tip is to use templates for the main body of your message while leaving room for a custom opening or closing. That way, you get the efficiency of a template without making the email feel too generic. Also, if you don't immediately see My Templates under Apps, Outlook's layout can vary slightly depending on the version you're using, so just look for the same feature in the Apps or Add-ins area. And that's it. To use email templates in Microsoft Outlook, go to Mail, click New, choose Mail, open Apps, select My Templates, and then pick the template you want to use. It's a simple feature, but once you start using it, it can make everyday emailing much faster and more consistent.